Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix the Valorant error code 57. So make sure to stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you. So first, the error code is caused when the game's anti-cheat is not initialized. So if you have low RAM or if it is for gigabytes or less, your computer might close the anti-cheat that runs in the background to create space and trigger the error. So usually a quick game restart or system restart does the job. But if none of the that of if but if does that does not work, considering reinstalling the game. So what you can do next or what you can also do is to restart your game. So try restarting your game and wants to see if the error code persists. Many users reported that the game client times out and shows the error code which can be fixed by restarting your game. And if it that's still not or if that still didn't fix the problem, you can go ahead and restart your computer. So Riot's Vanguard anti-cheat process can be shut down by Windows, especially if you have less RAM on your computer, which can lead to the error code. So if you run into Valorant error code 57, try restarting your computer. And to do that, just simply press onto the Windows key on your keyboard, and you should be able to see this, and press onto the power icon that you will see on there, and then just simply click onto the restart on the menu. And then next, what you can do is flush your DNS. So your temporary network files may be causing issues, which is why flushing your DNS can fix potential issues and how your internet is configured. So to do that, press onto the Windows key again and then type the command prompt and hover onto the first app result. Click onto the Run as Administrator, and if asked whether to allow command prompt to make changes to your computer, just select the yes option. So you should now get a new window with a black screen and type this right here: conf ipconfig slash flush DNS, and just press the enter, and then right here again ipconfig slash register DNS and press enter, and then next ipconfig slash release and press enter, and then lastly, second, the last ipconfig slash renew and press enter, and lastly netsh winstock reset and then press enter. And then after doing so, just simply restart your computer. So I hope that fixed the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.